Hey everyone, this is Ford Mustang 98 guy here, and today let's take an in-depth look at this 2006 Dodge Charger RT. And this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Charger. We'll start the engine, show it off, go over some foreign specification, get an exhaust clip. I can already tell that has aftermarket dual exhaust. And show you a bunch of the features on the inside as well as the outside. And so, without further ado, let's go and start it up, let it run. And this Dodge Charger does have an aftermarket remote starter. So as you can see, it's locked right now, so all you got to do is hold the button and it'll start the engine. Simple as that. And hold it again to shut it off. It's a black exterior with gray leather interior. I can close this a little bit because cars are passing. This one it's got 115,000 kilometers. Also, this one does have navigation, but actually the GPS system actually broke, so it doesn't really work. Very nice. It's got a leather-wrapped steering wheel, 4-spoke design. And we're going to cut on the hazards. So as the headlights, fog lights. This one does have automatic lights. Automatic driver's side window. And we're going to check out the exterior, shall we? Gotta love that Dodge front grille. Your fog lights. Oh, that one's burnt out. Oh well. You can always depend on your Dodge. Gotta wait a second, as there's a vehicle backing out. Actually, no. Standard Goodyear tires. These are aftermarket alloy wheels. Doesn't have the Dodge badge on it though. There's the fuel cap, but I can't open it. I don't know where the switch is. This car is loud. Banner, man. Hemi. Hey, Jay, I'm filming. I'm filming. This one has MagnaFlow dual aftermarket exhaust. Alright, we're gonna pop the hood. It's a 5.7 liter Hemi V8. There's your oil, battery. This has a Mopar cooler intake. It's not bad at all. Power windows, your window lock, power locks, power mirrors. Your storage has full power seats that slides.
Her car won't start. She left her hazards on, her car won't start now.
Also has a lumbar, and it does have a tilt steering wheel. Alright, now let's go ahead and see how she revs. Not bad at all. You gotta love that sound to it. Yeah?
Don't rev it so much, you're killing me, man.
I'm not gonna kill you.
I'm gonna ask over here.
Hey Jay, I won't kill you, it's okay. I'm fine.
Oh, it looks good.
No, that thing. Not bad. This one is a Hemi though, so I can't rev it that much. This one's the RT. Alright, now we'll get the exhaust.
Huh?
I'm getting the exhaust now. Put the camera down so we can do the exhaust. It's gonna be loud, so here we go. Here we go. Doing the exhaust. The camera's okay. I'm gonna focus on the back. Yeah. I love the sound. I love it. You gotta love it. Alright, now I'm doing the inside. Shut it up. We'll rock and roll. Dual zone climate control. Different zones. Front defrost. Temperature. Your air conditioning. Your defrost. Your circulation. As well as fan speed. AM/FM radio with six disc CD changer. It also has CD player as well as cassette player. This one also has navigation. Actually, it's not broken. It actually still works. So so it's still working. I think it's broken or something. Maybe that's why it's
Cool. I'll take.
He arrested me. That's right. Your heated seats for the driver and passenger. It's two-stage. Even on this side. Ashtray, cigarette lighter. Cup holders. Storage. Your controls on the steering wheel, your volume. Your wipers, turn signals. You also have your wipers. Sunglass storage. Illumination. Manual dimming rearview mirror. You also have sunroof. Automatic opening sunroof.
104.5 Chum FM with Roger, Darren, and Marilyn in the morning. And today's best music while you work. It's Ashley Greco.
Press it once and it closes automatically.
This weekend, the Service Love Film has released a list of the funniest movies of all time, and they've actually done some count.
Over here, you have your fuel gauge, speedometer, tachometer, and over here is your temperature. Not bad at all. Your parking brakes located down below. Pull that to release it. Not bad at all. Little storage cubby. Alrighty. So it's going to shut it off. And we're going to check out the back seat. I'm almost done.
Almost done?
Yeah. It's not long. Windows, your storage. Your rear vents. Co-hooks. Alright, now let's go and check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? I really don't know how to open the fuel cap, so I can't do it. Trunk. Got a lot of stuff in there, but you can fit about a couple of this stuff in here. Maximize this. Oh, that's rear spoiler. I forgot to mention that. Looks cool with the aftermarket wheels and the dual exhaust. And then the exhaust is aftermarket. You heard it when I revved it. Storage, windows. There's car freshener in here. It's a car seat there. I got a car seat there. Power locks, power windows, full passenger seats. Same on the driver, except you don't have that other switch I showed you. Good size glove box. Over here is the owner's manual. Like I said, it's a 2006 Charger. Tells you all about it. It's an owner's manual. It's not bad. Tells you all about the vehicle and stuff. Very nice. You gotta always love your Chrysler. It's still a Dodge. You can always trust your Dodge. Not to say that this Dodge Charger is really like a sports car, but it's been fitted with aftermarket MagnaFlow exhaust. So you can always trust your Dodge. Alright, now, like as usual in all my videos, we'll start up with the door closed. And also, like I said on the passenger seat, you don't have this lumbar switch. Alright, now before we end the video, let's start up with the door closed. Fucking keys, man.
Release party, the GSOC release party.
Perfect. The headlights, they light up turquoise green. Alright. So that's pretty about it for this one. Cut it off. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2006 Dodge Charger RT. Just stay tuned. Next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care, everybody.